2018 and up Chevy Traverse EVA Purge solenoid replacement. The EVA Purge is located near the firewall at the back of the engine on the passenger side. Before you do that, you need to remove this right here. You remove this T30 here. Alright, it's off. The oil plug. Alright, loose. And you pop it out. And you need to remove the air intake tube. It's held by two 8mm on each side. Alright. Loose. Into one right here too. It's loose right now, so let's pop this off. Don't forget this 10mm right here, you need to take it off too. Alright. So the intake is, you should just pop it off the plugs. Not the plugs, there's the push pin back there, you need to pop it off. So alright, so let's take it off. There it is. Yeah, by 10mm on the back of the engine like this. I got it off. There you go. So I got the new one in. Put the connectors in.
Shit, I'm probably not taking another day off of it.
Alright. Okay. That's that. And you're done. On some of them, that one is the old one. If you blow some air through it right here, air will flow right through it. That usually means that's what the problem is usually. It just stop open and you will let air get into the intake through the check engine light. So the new one, when you try to put air in it, no power on, you won't let air go through. But this one, that's usually the problem. It will let go, fresh air go through the engine, and that will cause problems. All right. You can just blow through that hole right here, and that will tell you that's your problem. That's a very common problem of those vehicles. And by the way, here is the part number for it. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you.